So welcome, this is part 2 of my move into Canada video, and this will focus on housing. How to get a house to rent in Toronto. Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Shanetel, my brand is Funky, and this is Shen's. For me, I did this 3 times. I've lived in 3 different places. And I've also lived both inside Toronto and in the GTA. So these are my tips that I use to get housing, and I have a great place now, which is the place I'm videoing at. When I moved to Canada, my priorities were to get a place that I didn't have to pay for before actually moving into the place. And second, it was supposed to be like really close to school and really close to the grocery store and hospital, also very close to a police station, and the transit situation, to ensure that I can get transit like right throughout the time that I need to at any hours, and to ensure that those transit are frequent. This is the most efficient one that I found. Like, you can do it even if you're here in Toronto, but this is a really good group. So the group is Buns Zone on Facebook. It's Buns Home on Facebook. I'll put the link in the description. It's a closed group. You'd have to like tell them why you'd like to join the group, and they'll accept you. So best way that I see that you can get a place while you're on this group is to actually create like a profile. Tell them a little bit about yourself. Tell them what you're looking for. Tell them your price range. Tell them the area that you're looking for it. And then just post that. When you post it, people will comment, people will like your post, and people will message you in your inbox. Hey, I'm this fun girl from Jamaica and I'm looking for a place, all that nice stuff. So there's a lot of things that I didn't know. And another group I think you should join, is very helpful, is the Ontario Tenants' Right group. If you have like a lease or you have a rental that you have like clauses in your agreement that you're not sure about, you can always post it in this group, or you can always just send it in that group, and they will help you. Trust me. Have like extensive knowledge in that group. I'm sure like you have a lot of lawyers and a lot of people in that group, and they'll give you like detailed information on knowing your rights. So this is another way that you can find a rental. Like, ask a friend, like ask around, like especially when you get here. If you're in Canada, ask people, like ask your co-workers, ask your classmates, ask just people that are your friends, or like people that you're close to, or people that you trust. Just let them know, like, I'm looking for a place. Have you seen anything? Have you heard anything about anywhere renting? And you will get some intel. Trust me. I got a couple places that I said no to from people. So use your resources, and the people in your network is a great resource, especially when you're trying to find a new home. So my second place, I got it through a friend. My third place that I got it through Kijiji. So remember to know the things that you want and to ask these questions. Now, other questions that I think you should ask is, what is covered in your rent? Is parking available? Is the utilities covered? Is internet at the house? Is there washing facilities? Can I use these washing facilities free of cost? Are they covered inside my rent? You also talk about, like, if you're gonna share your kitchen, are you gonna share, what are you gonna share exactly? Like, get like any question that you have that in your mind, like ask those questions, especially before you go into a place. If you have to share a kitchen, would you have to share the fridge? And how would you go about sharing the fridge and ensuring that your things are where they're supposed to be and stuff like that? So that is really important to know. Other places that I've searched for places, found places, I went to the places to view these places, but I didn't accept them. Like Facebook Marketplace, if you're in Canada or you're in the US, Facebook Marketplace have a whole feature on rentals, so you can just search for rentals and you can put in your location and you will be able to see places that are in your area or in the area of your choice that are being rented. So go ahead on Facebook Marketplace to find your rental. And if you're a student, also remember that you have like the option of campus housing. Like it is a little bit expensive up front, but give and take, I think it's the same as renting a place outside, especially in Toronto, because Toronto is very expensive to rent. Okay, and another way that I found, which was very useful to get a place, is if you're actually in Canada and you have access to the area that you'd like to live in, you could just walk around in that area and look for rent signs, like for rent, like for sale signs. You'll see for rent signs. So if you are able to like walk around in the area that you'd like to live in, you can just go ahead and look for those signs. You can call the people, the number that is there, so you can call the number. Sometimes you'll be able to like view the place like right there and then you can make your decision. So if you're able to do that, so that is also another way. So let me just summarize. So these are the ways that you can find a place: Kijiji, Buns Home on Facebook, a Facebook group, Facebook Marketplace, campus housing if you are a student, place for students as well. I didn't say it, but that's also a good website that you can use. Place for students, and remember to always ask your friends. Use your network, use your people. So also ask your friends. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave your questions down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer those. And if you like this video, or if this video was helpful in any way, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Go ahead and like the video, and like me on Facebook at Shenpunky. Follow me on Instagram at Shenpunky. Add me on Snapchat at Shenpunky. And look in the description box for all the links of all the places that I suggested, and an overall summary of this video. And also go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching, and remember, a home is where your heart is. Until next time, I see you in my next video.